Now see, this is the question of maximum power transfer theorem. Again, this is from June 2023. If you know the Thevenin theorem, then you will be able to get the maximum power as well. What is the condition of maximum power? That if you want that maximum power is should be transferred, then in that case, load resistance equal to the Thevenin resistance. This is the condition. Okay. And in the next case, if they ask you to calculate power, you need to remember this formula, that is V square TH divided by 4 RTH. Just you need to remember these. Okay. V square TH will get it from the Thevenin voltage. RTH would be equal to RL. And that will get it again same way we have done it for the Thevenin theorem. Okay. Now back to the question. This they said determine the value of R that results in maximum power transfer 6.2. Okay. And also obtain the maximum power dissipate under that condition. So basically ask you the they ask you the value of the R, right? R they want to ask. Now as I told you that RL would be equal to RTH. Correct or not? First tell me. Hmm? So now in this question, can you tell me which one is RL? Question again. Which one is RL? This R or this 6.2? Which one is R? L. 6.2? Why? Because they said the maximum power will transfer to 6 point ohm resist. Got it? So can we say that RL is equal to 6.2? That is equal to RTH? Yes or no? Now tell me what are the steps for the calculation of RTH? Voltage source must be short circuit or open circuit, right? So like this. And RL must be open circuit, right? RL must look like this or not? Current source is open circuit. So RH is equal to 6.2 and we can calculate RTH by here also. Now you are standing at A and you need to move towards B. 3 ohm and R, they are connected at the same path or at the different path? Can you go to both the house at the same time? They are at the same path or at the different path? Different means R parallel 3, right? It will become single resistance, then 5 ohm. Now this one and this one, they are at the same path and or at the different path? R parallel 3 and 5 ohm. They are at the same path or at the different path? You are standing at A and you towards B. You are moving like this. They comes at the same path. Can I write down R parallel 3 is R into divided by R plus 3 plus 5. This is the value of RTH, right? And RTH value they have already given RL. RL is equal to 6.2. Now if we'll solve this equation, can we get the value for R? Yes or no? Yes, basically they have given you RL, right? That would be equal to RTH, right? And manually also will solve the RTH. So we put the RTH equal, then we'll the value for R. Correct? Now the next part is they have asked you to calculate maximum power max equal to V square TH divided by 4 RL, right? As I just told, they ask you to calculate the maximum power. RL we already know, that is 6.2, but we need to calculate V. Yes or no? H would be equal to VAB diagram because we have to open set RL. The diagram looks like this or not? This R value we have calculated in this case. I don't know the value. Let us consider, I'm considering randomly as 6 ohm. Okay, it's not 6 ohm, but I'm considering randomly. So now we need to calculate VTH. That would be equal to VAB. Yes or no? So now tell me, you are standing at A. To move towards B, you are moving from A to right. Yes or no? Positive. Okay, you are moving, take current from A to C. Yes, you are moving current also. Okay, so VAB, let's mark the sign as well according to right. So we have to take the second sign, right? A to C, that would be minus I1 minus 5 I2 is equal to V. Correct or not? I2 is how much? Can you tell me? Tell me, I2 is how much? Can we apply mesh in this circuit? Can we apply, sorry, KVL in this mesh? Can we apply KVL in mesh? Yes or no? Yeah, I2 2 ampere, right? Now I1 is how much? Can you tell me? Similarly, can we apply KVL in this mesh? So it would like this or not? Minus 3 I1 minus 6 minus equal to minus 9 I1 equal to 12. I1 would equal to 12 by 9 minus. So if the current is negative, we have to take the negative current as well. That would be minus I1. But we got it minus 12 by 9, right? That would be 9, 12, minus minus would be plus, plus 40, minus 10, minus 10. 40 minus 20, so you'll get V 20. Understood?